butterfly touch, waltz away, wrap her up. Forward waltz, roll the lady across, twinkle through face close, canter reverse twice. Waltz away, wrap the lady up, forward waltz, roll the lady across, twinkle through face close, twirl vine, pick up to close, diamond turn. Baseline, forward waltz, drift apart, twinkle out, twinkle to close, turn left chassé to banjo, impetus semi, in and out runs, maneuver, 2 right turns, baseline canter to the center, interrupted box, forward waltz and maneuver, spin turn, box finish, interrupted box, forward waltz through face close to the wall, canter twice, waltz away, wrap the lady up, forward waltz, roll the lady across, twinkle through face close, reverse canter twice, waltz away, wrap the lady up, forward waltz, roll the lady across, twinkle through face close, twirl vine, pick up to close, interrupted box.
Sorry, I'm asleep at the switch.
Forward waltz and maneuver, spin turn, box finish, interrupted box, forward waltz and maneuver, spin turn, box finish, 2 left turns, twirl vine, through face close, canter, twice, step apart, acknowledge, very nice. Okay.
Silver star? Bronze? Do I get bronze?
To the stepper pole, for those that were willing and able to do this.
My situation,